This week's parasha is Parashas Bamidbar. Generally speaking, Bamidbar falls out as the Shabbos before Shavuos. The base of Ram from Slonim says that it's not a coincidence. This parasha contains the message for how to prepare, how to be mechen for Kabbalas Torah. And he says the primary hachana for Kabbalas Torah is that Klal Yisrael should be in unity, achdus. Like it says, Vayichan Sham Yisrael neged har ke'ish echad b'leiv echad. When Klal Yisrael came to Har Sinai, they were like one person. They had total unity. And one reason why that's vital and crucial as a preparation for Kabbalas Torah is because no single individual has the ability to keep the whole Torah. This one is able to do these mitzvahs, another Jew does other mitzvahs, but because we're in unity together as one whole, we can keep the whole Torah. Said the base of Ram, that's why we lay in Bamidbar before Shavuos, because Bamidbar is the counting of Klal Yisrael. And when you count a group of people, you're taking a bunch of individual people and putting them together into one sum total. And that connotes the achdus and the unity of Klal Yisrael, which is the hachana for Kabbalas Torah.